Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today, guys?
I'm great.
Lapar. Not good but not bad.
Okay, so in the
Hungry, I'm
middle,
hungry.
hungry. It's okay, guys. In the middle, yeah, not good and not bad. So before we start the lesson, not lesson but exam. Let's recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, guys, as you know that today we would like to do speaking examination that is about public speaking with the topic about what is the topic?
Function of
Function of
That's great.
dancing.
Function of dancing. And as you know, the list of students who will deliver the speech start from Nengti, yeah. The second speaker is Adele, and the last one is Agnia. And guys, please disclaimer. I hope you guys to mute your microphone when your friends is delivering the presentation. Is it understandable?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. And to make time effective, let's start with the first speaker, that is Nengti. So Nengti, please to start the share screen.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, Nengti, belum tampil.
Ini teh pada nggak dijawab udah kakak casting grupnya tapi pada nggak dijawab gimana? Udah miss.
Wait, belum tampil di in my laptop.
Oke.
Ah, sudah ada. Wait. Del, don't forget to mute your microphone ya. Okay, thank you. So, Nengti, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm ready.
that's great. So please start your presentation now. Please, Nengti.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Nangti Azkia Nurjana. I'm from Class G in LKP Mr. D Batch 23.
Okay.
Today, I would like to present my speech entitled Functioning. Alright, let's begin. To guide my let me provide you with a brief outline of what I will cover. Introduction. Second, dancing as communication. Third, dance in culture. Fourth, the connection dance and music. Fifth, the important role of dance of various cultures. And last is conclusion. Okay, anyone knows? Are dance and culture related?
No, I don't know.
Okay. There are various elements in a country's culture, such as music, drama, and dancing. These activities fulfill people's daily life and make the culture to become unique and colorful. Among these activities, dancing plays a very important culture. There are three reasons. Firstly, dancing is one of the ways for people to communicate. Before human beings can use language to communicate, body language such as gesture is a good way to express what they want to say. Gradually, dancing has become a very important way for people to show their feelings such as happiness, love, or grief. Secondly, dancing also reflects the diversity of a nation. There are different kinds of dances in different cultures. For example, flamenco is a famous dance in Spain, and it reflects the culture of Spain and the characteristics of the Spanish people. Understanding the dancing of a country helps people to understand the country of that country. Thirdly, dancing can help create a lot of wonderful music. Dancing and music cannot be separated. When people dance, they usually need appropriate music to accompany.
Mm-mm.
Tchaikovsky is one of the best greatest composers in the world, and his famous work, Swan Lake, is created for the ballet. We almost can say that the ballet dancing gave Tchaikovsky inspiration to write the music. Dancing is an important art form and also plays an important role in a culture. Some dance happens at celebration as expression of emotion or some happen in more structured manner. Dancing plays an important role in ceremonial events in many cultures. There are various rules in each culture. For example, in the Pukunami ceremony, where the dance the relation to deceased. In Lebanon, the classical belly dancing still plays an important part of wedding, representing the transition for virgin bride to sensual woman. There are there are also dances used to calm conflict, such as the Dreamland people. Dancing does not have the same function in our modern life, but many people in our society still find dancing an enjoyable form of entertainment and art. In conclusion, no one can deny. Oh, sorry. The Q and that's all.
Mm-mm.
My speech. Now Q&A session is open. Please, if you have any question about function of dancing that I have explained.
Mm.
So,
Okay. And I have one question to you.
okay.
Uh, why can understanding a country's dance help in understanding its culture?
Okay, thank you for the question. Why can understand a country dance help is understanding its culture, right? Okay, I will
Right.
answer.
Right.
Wait. Okay, understanding a country's dance help in understanding its culture because dance reflects its history, tradition, and social values. Therefore, both the movement and music hold deep meaning, making it possible to recognize nation identity. How about the answer? Has is answered? Agnia?
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay, thank you. For conclusion, no one can deny that dancing plays an important role in a culture. That's all for me. I apologize if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Whoa, that's really
Waalaikumsalam
great.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Nengti, that's really great. Thank you so much. You have finished and you can stop the share screen.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Let's continue to second speaker. There is Adele.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
Adele,
yes, yes.
your turn.
Oh, wait. Nah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wait.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, Adele.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Today, not good.
Good.
Great.
Uh,
Good.
okay.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Adelia Kintil Johara from Class G in LKP Master D Batch 23.
No, I, I, I would like to present is dancing presentation. For outline, I have introduction, dancing as communication, dancing as culture, dance and music connection, dancing as ceremony, dancing as entertainment and social activity. Culture. I have three. The first is music, the second is drama, and the third is dancing. Music. Music is culture is not only about being an entertainment, but also function as a means of communication, expression of emotion, and a means of strengthening social and cultural relationship. Drama. Drama is a form of performing arts that depicts life through dialogue, expression, and action of its characters. Dancing. Dance is a form of artistic expression that use body movement to convey emotion, stories, or cultural symbols. In a sense, dance is not just movement but also a universal language that connects people in various parts of the world. In short, music conveys culture with melody, drama with dialogue, and dance with body movement. But now we are only discussing the function of dancing, not music of drama. Dancing as communication, the convey expression, tell the story, social interaction, and tasty. Dancing is dancing dancing as communication convey expression is usually conveyed from face, body movement, or type of dance. Tell the story is there are several dances that are narrative based. For example, the Wayang Wong dance from Indonesia. Social interaction. Usually the social interaction of several pair dance or group dance. Dance as culture, cultural identity. Dance is a part of the identity of a tribe or nation, such as the Pandet dance from Bali, which shows the beauty of Hindu Balinese culture. Tradition, traditional heritage. Many traditional dances are passed down from generation to generation, such as the Saman dance from Aceh or the Hoka dance from the Maori tribe in New Zealand. Ceremonial and ritual media. In many cultures, dance is used in religious ceremonies, weddings, harvests, and traditional rituals, such as the Balis Kecak dance, which is related to Hindu belief. Dance as music connection. Unit cannot be separated. Description of the two elements cannot be separated, which means the dance is an important part of life. The description of the two elements, which means that dance is combination of two elements, namely music and movement. Dance as ceremony, religious ritual. Dance is used in religious ceremonies to invoke blessings. Reception, used to welcome important Jews, such as the Sudati dance in Aceh or the Pendet dance in Bali. Respect for ancestors. Dance is often used to honor ancestral spirits. Dance, dancing as entertainment and social activity. Performing arts, movies and music, dance competition. Performing arts. Dance not only function as part of culture or culture or ritual, but also as a performing art that has aesthetic and craft and creative value. Music and music, movie and music. Movie and music complement each other in the entertainment world. Music is films help building atmosphere and um, amplify the emotion of the audience. Dance competition. A dance competition is an event where dance or dance group compete to show off their skill. For conclusion, dance is a art that combines movement and music to express emotion, culture, and stories. In addition to, to entertainment, it also developed films and competitions. Then is a in of human live life. So is open.
Okay. So
Hello.
please, who will ask, guys?
Okay, I want to
Kirain
ask.
tadi tuh mati.
Bentar aku tadi urusin dulu. Okay. My question is, why is dance is inseparable from everyday life? Everyday life.
Because it is part of human culture, identity, and expression. Okay, that's all. Hello.
That's
Hello?
clear.
Thank you, Agnia, for question. So that's all for me. I forget if I have mistake. Thank you. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.
Okay. Closing?
Sudah, Miss?
Oh, okay. So thank you so much, Adele. You have finished. You can stop the share screen. Okay, Nengti and Adele have finished. And now let's move to the last speaker. We have Agnia. Your turn, please.
Okay.
Wait, Agnia.
Udah ini?
Belum ada, wait. Belum
Hah,
tampil di
belum ada?
Oke, sekarang sudah ada.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
Yeah. ready.
Okay, so please start now, Agnia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Agnia.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for Miss Delis, who has given me opportunity to be here.
Okay.
Introduce myself. My name is Agnia Fadalirvani from Class G in LKP Mr. D batch 23. Today, I would like to present a topic entitled is function of dancing. Alright, let's begin. To guide let me provide you with a brief outline of what I will cover. First is introduction. Second is function. Third is dance as a form of communication. Fourth, dancing reflects cultural diversity. 5. Dance relationship with music. 6. The role of dance in ceremonies and rituals. 7. Dancing as entertainment and health. 9. Dance as art appreciation. Nine Q&A, and 10 is conclusion. Okay. Introduction. Guys, do you know about function of dancing?
No, I don't know.
I think I know, but I don't know.
Okay, there are various elements in country culture, such as music, drama, and dancing. These activities enrich people's daily lives and make cultures unique and colorful. Among these activities, dancing play a very important role in a culture. Okay, terus nge-zoom. Okay. Topic number 1 is function of dancing in culture. Such as music, drama, and dancing, these activities fulfill people's daily lives and make the culture to become unique and be colorful. Among these activities, dancing play a very important role in culture. Okay. Topic number 3 is dance as a form of communication. Before language was developed, humans used gesture and movement to express emotions and message. Dancing evolved from this gesture, allowing people to communicate joys, sadness, or warnings. For example, in celebration, dance can express happiness and love, while in rituals, it can convey grief or devotion. Dancing became a way to express feelings such as happiness, love, and sadness. For example, in the picture beside, the umbrella dance has the meaning of love, protection, and happiness. Okay. Topic number 4 is ta-da! Dancing reflects cultural diversity. Each country has its own traditional dance that reflect its unique identity. Flamenco represent the passion and spirit of Spanish culture. Ballet originated in Europe and symbolize grace and discipline. And tari Saman from Indonesia showcase unity and teamwork. Understanding a nation's traditional dance help us understand its history, values, and traditions. Okay, topic number 5 is dance relationship with music. Dancing and music are inseparable. Many legendary musical pieces were composed specifically for dance performs. For example, Tchaikovsky famous work Swan Lake was created for ballet. This shows that dance can inspire musician and vice versa. Okay, topic number 6 is role of dance in ceremonies and ritual. In many cultures, dance play a sacred role in religious and social ceremonies. Pukumani from Australia, this is performed in funerals, reflect the relationship to the deceased. And belly dance still an important part of wedding, symbolizing a bride's transition into woman. Okay, and last is Greenland ritual. Drum and dance are believed to dissolve conflict among people. This shows that dance is not just for entertainment, but also serves deeper social and spiritual purposes. Okay, topic number 7 is dancing as entertainment and health. Even in modern times, dancing remains a of entertainment and exercise. Young people go to club to have fun and socialize, and older people dance in social event to socials and keep fit. For example, aerobic dance. Dancing keeps us physically and mentally healthy. Okay. Topic number 9 is dance as art appreciation. Many people enjoy watching ballet and modern dance performs in theaters. Dance performs combine movement and costumes to create an artistic experience. Watching dance performs help us appreciate the beauty of art and enriches or cultural knowledge. Okay, guys, Q&A session is open. Oh, nggak nyiapin itunya. Sorry. The Q&A is open. If anyone has any question,
I have.
to ask. Okay.
I have Agnia. I have. For question. What do you think are the challenge faced by dance in modern society?
All right. Thank you for the question, Adele. And
Yes.
my answer, one major challenge is that modern entertainment, like social media and digital content, is reducing interest in traditional dance. However, we can preserve traditional dance by teaching them in schools and promoting them in social platforms. Okay, and last, clear, Adele?
Yes.
That's clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank
It's
you.
good.
And last, in conclusion, dance has an important role in culture as a means of communication, expression, ritual, entertainment, and art application. No one can deny that dance is an important part of human culture. Thank you for thank you for attention, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wow, that's great. Thank you so much, Agnia.
Salam.
Okay,
Thank you.
so guys, all of you have finished, right? Sudah selesai semuanya?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much ya.
Yes.
Okay, guys, those are so great performances. Thank you so much. And before we close, saya ingin memberikan sedikit feedback ya related to your performance. Pertama, kita dari Nengti. Nengti, I heard you say that rule. Kalau rule itu artinya aturan, Nengti. Tapi kalau yang dimaksud adalah role, itu baru peran. Oke, Nengti?
Oh ya.
Nah,
Roll.
kemudian saya mendengar
Roll.
kemudian saya mendengar ini salah satu dance. Nengti bilang pukunami. Ada yang kebalik tidak?
Kunami.
Ayo.
Agak pusing
Dance.
ngapalinya.
Kalau Agnia tadi betul pengucapannya pukumani ya, bukan pukunami, oke?
Aku
Kebalik.
pusing.
Kemudian saya mendengar society, Del. Harusnya society, oke?
Society.
Salah ya.
Nah, kemudian ketika Q&A session, Agnia nih bertanya kedua orang, Nengti dan Adele, itu tidak ada introduction Agnia. Ya.
Ya,
Nah,
itu yang saya maksud.
kalau dari Nengti ketika menerima pertanyaan ada say thank you dan mengkonfirmasi. Is it enough? Is it clear? Ada tadi. That's great. So, Nengti, you have finished. Thank you so much. That's great, ya.
Okay.
And then kita move ke Adele. Del, tadi saya mendengar Master D katanya. Master ya, Del.
Mister.
Ah, that's great, Del. Kemudian saya mendengar unit mempersatukan harusnya unite ya.
Ya, unite.
Nah, kemudian saya mendengar ancestors. Maksudnya nenek moyang leluhur itu ancestors ya. Ancestors.
Ancestor.
Kemudian saya mendengar beberapa kali competition harusnya competition pakai i.
Miss
Kemudian
putus-putus.
oke, cek ada gak?
Gak ada.
Ada. Oke, kemudian Next,
Putus-putus.
Adel, PPT-nya masih
Yes.
full text ya, Del?
Iya,
Nanti lebih di filter lagi, it's okay. And then
siap.
Adel tidak ada confirm ya ketika bertanya, ketika Q&A langsung. Tadi langsung conclusion gitu. Tapi ada say thank
Iya.
you, say thank you terhadap Agnia. Oke, thank you so much, Del. That's really great. You have finished.
Yes.
Oke, kita move ke Agnia. Tadi saya mendengar beberapa kali relationship. You mean
Susah, Miss.
Relationship.
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 That's
Pakai S
good.
semua. Relationship.
Relationship. Gitu ya. Good. Kemudian ini juga sepertinya susah nih. Appreciation atau appreciate.
Ya, susah banget, Miss.
Namanya ada pengucapannya adalah
Appreciation.
appreciation.
Oh, appreciation.
Mm-mm.
Appreciation.
Kemudian
Appreciation.
tadi saya mendengar ada from, harusnya form ya, bentuk.
Form.
Kalau form itu untuk. Kemudian ada lagi nih Agnia, ada create, menciptakan, harusnya create.
Create.
Betul. Terakhir nih,
Create.
now Q&A season.
Create.
Ada Q&A season. Season artinya cuaca nih ya. Harusnya session ya.
Session.
Oke, Miss, sorry.
Terakhir di Q&A, Adel tidak ada introduction Del ketika bertanya ya.
Yes.
Namun Agnia
I'm
ada
sorry.
confirm, it's okay gak apa. Namun Agnia ada confirm terhadap
I'm
terhadap
sorry.
jawab.
Sorry.
Oke, kita sudah selesai. Thank you so much ya. Kalian sudah hadir,
Yay.
sudah melaksanakan ujian. Terakhir nih, dokumentasi. So please to open your camera.
Oh,
Ada titik di situ.
bentar, Miss.
Yay.
Open your camera.
Wait.
Aku nggak pakai kerudung.
Wait. Aduh,
Okay,
mana?
Miss, kalau semisal itunya apa sih PPT-nya
Tangannya aja berapa, Miss?
PPT-nya nggak dinilai kan?
Dinilai of course.
Oh,
Of course ada penilaian. Mana saya gak ada ini? Wait.
aku Q&A-nya ini lupa.
It's okay, gak apa-apa. So, where is... saya sudah tampil. Oh, ada ya. Kita menunggu Adel dan...
Mana ini teh? Malu.
It's okay, gak apa-apa.
Ya Allah. Ya.
Ayo, Del.
Ambil apa guys? Mukena atau apa? It's okay. Nah, nanti sudah ada nih. Menunggu Adel. Hello, Del. Nah, wait. Signalnya not stable. So, guys, please be ready. I'd like to take the screenshot in 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, guys. Suara saya terdengar tidak?
Udah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your coming and your participation. Now, so for me, let's say
Terdengar,
hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Selamat menunaikan ibadah puasa dan what is like Idul Fitri.
Yes.
Karena this is our last meeting, right? So minal aizin wal faizin ya guys.
Yes.
Dan batin.
Ya, ribut.
Oke.
Izin Bapak izin juga, Miss.
Oke.
Iya,
Buat semua teacher.
Thank you so much
Yep.
ya.
Tutor yang di
Oh, tutor, sorry.
Oke.
Tutor.
Thank you so much ya guys. We have finished. And then that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.